Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 24th of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you. It is still happening in Imo State, in Biafran land, between the Biafran Liberation Army and the Musa and Asari guys. It is still happening. We all know that a news broke out that Gentle the Yahoo has been eyed, including NG Makeup, but still believe me, that the Biafran Liberation boys are out there debunking the news, saying that nothing like that ever happened. That Gentle the Yahoo is still healthy, he is still alive, likewise Angel Makeup. So according to the Biafran Liberation Army, they said that if anything like that ever happened, that the Musa guys should display the buying body of Gentle the Yahoo or Angel Makeup, or even a picture of them. But since nothing like that ever came up on social media, that Gentle the Yahoo is still alive, that's what the Biafra Liberation boys are saying. If you watch very closely, you can see them. They are still active in what they are doing in Biafra land, defending the ancestral home of Biafra land. They are still fighting a guerrilla warfare with the Musa and the Asari guys in Biafra land.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Just have a lot of enforcement about how it's no good. They see man day.
Launcher. No. Go. Go back, no, go back. No shoot. Me go. Go back. No shoot for back here. Got people where they shoot for back, so no one see him again. We enter. Oh, launcher one time. Go, you go shoot the ass. You don't miss the ass. You go now with the ass. Go now direct with the ass. Enter. Boo. Enter.
Guys, the Amber boys is still doing what they know how to do best, because the Amber boys are fighting the same thing the Biafra Liberation Army are fighting. Everyone wants their independence. Only God Almighty know when all these things is going to come to an end, because indeed we're supposed to have peace in Africa. Africa is supposed to unite. Africa is supposed to be one. We're supposed to be one so that there will be peace and unity everywhere in Africa. We have mineral resources. We have everything that God uses to bless humanity. We have all of them in Africa. But based on hatred, bad leadership, and other things that is making Africa to be fighting themselves, buying themselves, which is no longer accepted. Now you see what we have been saying that is still going on in Biafra land. Everyone wants to see Gentle the Yahoo. Everyone is expecting to hear from Gentle the Yahoo and the NG Makeup. Now listen to this young man, what he said. because the last time we posted the video was not complete, but today we are able to get the complete video of this Biafran Liberation Army called Biafra Must Go. Listen to him.
Oma gentle the Yahoo, Oma him in arrest. Here's the picture, full picture, and that boy, he may arrest, and that boy, he will take a help also, he will live. Unnet a question, unnever news. Mandiri lewo omu Biafra hana anu awuli elu na jato de Yahoo na egbueli na jato de Yahoo na ejidele jato de Yahoo won yobla gburi enu won ko yobla gideri enu alegidi ikuku laka umu na masu kamju na ikuku alegidi laka ikuku na ngwana onya ndị zuru filia na ha ga-egbuli jato de Yahoo ha ga-epuzo gbu chukwu kabiam o ma ha ga-egbuli chukwu kabiam na mata na gadafna ha ga-egbuteli jato de Yahoo. Oh my hagegideli chukwu kabiam n'aka mee arrest. Una ma na datna hagegideli jato de Yahoo laka mee arrest. Ndị Nigeria zuru bara n'ime akụ lere na ya dị mmadụ lere innocent soul ụmụ nwaanyị abụọ n'ụdị a ụmụ abụọ ọbịa gbagbu ise lekwu na ọnwụ ndị no gentle and the men ya ka ha gburu asị dị ha jato de Yahoo na ebe ọ nọ na treatment kemgbe ndị Nigeria terrorist bandit gbakara aka with ndị politician wee nye ha poison before commanders of Biafra nye hụ poison mana ekele dịrị Chukwu Biafrans a na-asụ unu keleme Chukwu na one of the commanders n'ime ndị nye poison o nwetara onwe ya ọ rịkọvala otu onye ka ha kọmanda ka echere kọfụkwa otu ndị ọzọ tọmọfụ kọmandas ndị ọzọ ga-ejikwe gbakekwe very soon oge adịghị anya unu ga-anụ olu jato de Yahoo n'okwu olu General Putuso with kọmandas ndị ọzọ unu mata ndị niile ha chịrị ọchị ndị niile ha ṅụọ ọṅụ wụ enemies of Biafra. Biafra must go. Ọwa aha m Biafra must go. Eji m ohere na ala agwa unu asụlụ ụbọchị nta ka a chọọ na were nche udo dịrị unu.
Guys, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court case is coming up in 2 days time. Yes, so it's coming up in 2 days time. Listen to Stephen Cross and hear what Stephen Cross said concerning the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's upcoming case. Do you think that Stephen Cross is right in this thing that he is saying that the government of Nigeria is going to do to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Do you think he's right in what he is saying?
I saw a news flash saying that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case has been brought back, or rather, the date has been changed to the 26th day of September 2025. And I am very worried about that date. You know why? Because I really don't trust Nigeria. Nigerian government can do anything. Maybe they have seen that Finland, their collaborator, has wrongly sentenced Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoku to 6 years imprisonment. And now they want to use that same opportunity to come and sentence Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because since Finland can sentence Mazi Simon Ekpa, then Nigeria has something to stand on. Now, if you want to argue it, you go to the court and argue that if Finland can jail Mazi Simon Ekpa, so why can't Nigeria jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for the same crime? Now, it might not make sense to any one of you, but this is what I believe that is going to happen. Now, Nigeria has never proven me wrong before. Nigeria is a country that you can never trust. You can't do business with Nigeria and remain the same. You cannot work for Nigeria and remain the same. It's either Nigeria, destroys your career, or you die in the process, or Nigeria embarrasses you as a person. There is no person working under Nigerian government that doesn't have a criminal record. Go and check this thing I'm telling you. So when Showore said Tinubu is a criminal, He never made any wrong statement. Tinubu is not just only a criminal. A man that sold drugs in America. That guy is supposed to be sitting in prison today. But that is the president of Nigeria. But again, this Nnamdi Kanu's case, that they just suddenly removed the date. Some speculation going out there is that, oh, because Nnamdi Kanu is sick and they want to, let him to. Nigeria can never do that, I'm telling you. Let him go for treatment, let him go for, maybe he should go and take care of himself because of his sickness and all of that. Nigerian government can never do that. And I repeat, Nigerian government will never do that. A man that has been sitting in solitary confinement for 5 years, Nigeria paid deaf ear. As if they don't know what they are doing. Suffering an evil man because he wants his freedom. And let me tell Nigerian government this. We are just watching you people. We know what to do to make you people release Nnamdi Kanu. We're not going to beg you. We are just watching. We are exploring the legal options now. We know that it's going to fail. We know that this legal option that Finland asks us to go and take to get our full freedom is going to fail because Nigeria, the only language Nigeria understands is violence. So we know it's going to fail. So, but we are still going to do it for the world to see more who Nigerian government is. Nigeria can never release Nnamdi. I don't know why you people are so excited about Nigeria. I don't know why you people are so excited about these people. I am here. Let them prove me wrong. And release Nnamdi Kanu. For him to travel and go and have his medical treatment. They can never do it. We know who they are. Nigerian government is a terrorist nation. They are terrorist government. All of them from A to Z. Tinubu, Shetima, Wike, all of them are terrorists. Is it not Wike that in Obibo massacred Biafrans in Obibo? Is it not the same Wike that is taking land, destroying people's property, making people to, lose their homes, and his own children are in London going to the best of schools? What are you people happy about in Nigeria? What is so precious in Nigeria? Nothing. Is just your mineral resources. And that your mineral resources, they're not even using it to build your own nation. They're using it to build other people's country. Other people's country, they are using it to, make sure that their citizens live well. Are you people not ashamed of yourselves? When you come, oh, I'm a Nigeria, I'm one of the giant of Africa. Are you people not ashamed of yourselves? All of you. Coming to tell me, we love Nigeria. May Nigeria happen to all of you. Nigeria has not happened to you. That's why you are coming here. You come here to talk rubbish. So again, we have to put all hands on deck to make sure that nothing happens to Nnamdi Kanu. Nothing happens to Nnamdi Kanu, because as we are here watching what Nigerian government is doing, my brother, their reversal of dates is so suspicious to the extent that I know that they're not going to do the right thing. Nigeria has never done the right thing. They have never done the right thing. A country that they will arrest criminals. They will arrest criminals who send them to prison. At night, those same criminals will come out and start robbing the citizens of the country. What a country indeed. That is the country most of you want us to be clapping for. That is the country where most of you, when we are talking on social media like this, you will come and be defending nonsense. A country that never respects the rule of law is not supposed to be called a country. Nigeria is gone. I'm telling you people, Nigeria is gone. Nigeria does not have any mecotalism again. You can't fix Nigeria. Nobody on this earth can fix it, including P2B. You can't fix Nigeria, I'm telling you. So forget about all this, your nonsense, 2027 and this. Follow the USB government. Follow the USB. Follow Dr. Ngozi Arabweze. Follow that country. We are on the right path of exiting Nigeria. The problem that Nigeria has now, the sleepless night that they have, is Dr. Arabweze. The woman does not speak. She comes to tell you what she's doing and she has done. She doesn't come to show you what to do all this or do all that. So they are confused. They don't know where to hold her. They don't know what to do with her. I told you people that Simon's case is coming up very soon. Nigerians are not sleeping. If you think that we are here joking or we are here dishing out wrong information, then you must go and have your brain cross-examined. We are not going to be telling you, oh, this is what we are doing, this is not what we are doing. See, Nigerian government is not sleeping. Tinubu is not sleeping, and he can never sleep. You see this last push to freedom? Tinubu didn't see it coming, and he will never see it coming. And all this, their shambolic judgment and their madness that they went to court to do, it, oh yeah, go for very soon. All of them from A to Z, including Alexander Stop, that went to connive with the Nigerian terrorist government to jail an innocent man. He will bring out your legs. Alexander Stop, I want to tell you, you have served Nigeria, but you will remain in shame for the rest of your life because we'll continue to call you out. You think when you do all this nonsense that all of us is going to run away or we're going to disappear because so you think that Simon Ekpa is a terrorist. Alexander, stop. You people are very, very wicked. You are very wicked. Very heartless. For that mineral resources in my land, you can't get it, Alexander, stop. You can never get it, not on this planet. We will protect it with everything in our life that we have. We will protect that mineral resources and we will make sure that it doesn't get to Finland. That is how shameful you people can be. You see that mineral resources, that natural resources in Biafran land that belongs to me? You can't get it. You can't get it. You can never get it. Not on this planet Earth, you can never get it. Not in a million years, you can't get it, Alexander, stop. So the business stops in Lagos. The business deal that you sign, the contract you sign with the Nigerian government stops with Tinubu. It doesn't come to Biafran land. Because you, upon everything that Simon Ekpa did, for this Finland sold him. That is why I tell you people that is in Obodoyibo, nobody should bow to these guys. They are wicked. And any of you that is still going to Finland, say, oh, I'm going to Finland to look for greener pasture. They do not like your skin color. Because Simon Ekpa Njoko has not committed any crime in Finland. Simon Ekpa Njoko works with the Finland government. Simon Ekpa Njoko fought for the Finland government, not with broom, not with slippers, not with his shirt, but with AK-47s, with heavy sophisticated rifles. Simon Ekpa Njoko is a lawyer in Finland, but still yes, Finland jailed him for defending Biafran land. The same thing that Finland forefathers did, that is the same thing that they jailed Master Simon Ekpa for. And when we say we were going for appeal, the Nigerian government swift into action. They came out and started threatening, oh, if you do this, we are going to skyrocket his jail terms. In what country have you ever seen that a known terrorist, a terrorist collaborators are sentenced to 6 years imprisonment? What country does that? I ask you. So Selina, the lady, the new ambassador to Nigeria, came to Nigeria, has a deal with Tinubu, and they removed Simon Ekpa. And you think you can get that mineral resources in my land? People are not serious. You don't even know how determined we are. Our eyes are open. Those mineral resources, you can't get it. Not on this planet Earth, I'm telling you the truth. So go and have a rethink. So Alexander Stop came to destroy Biafra upon everything that Simon did. Upon all the informations about Nigeria, evidences that Simon submitted to this man called Alexander Stop. The only thing you know how to do was to bring down Simon Ekpa, to want to cajole him, to intimidate him, thinking that he doesn't have anybody to speak for him, is it? But you see this court's hearing? You see this appeal? That is what broke the camel's back. And we are going to make sure that the best lawyers fight this case and fight Finland and Nigeria. Can you imagine how shameless Alexander Stop is? You're very shameless. We placed you on a high regard before, but today you have just messed yourself up just because you want to draw down Simon Ekpa. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Working with a terrorist nation? You that we think that you are a peace lover, a peacemaker, then your forefathers fought for your independence. They are all terrorists, since you called me a terrorist. Or your forefathers that fought for your independence, all of them are all terrorists. You jailed an innocent man because of his mineral resources, because you had a bilateral agreement with Nigeria, and you expect we, the citizens, to keep quiet. You cannot jail Simon Ekpa and expect to have peace. Not on this planet, I'm telling you. Very wicked man. Look at you. Alexander, stop. Look at you. Jailing my own prime minister. You think you jailed him. You will now come and then we'll be clapping for you, Alexander. Stop. You jailed prime minister? And you think you have peace? You think you will go and sleep with your wife, and why that man is suffering because he's trying to defend me, because he's trying to make me better, because he's trying to make my nation a free society where I can live, where my children can go and study and do other things, where my parents can be able to go to their farmland, where my brothers and sisters will be able to walk freely on their streets without any kidnapping, without any assault by the terrorist government of Nigeria. You took him away. Upon every information that you have, and then stop. You don't know what is coming, do you? You think we are joking? You think we are here to laugh with you people that took my prime minister away? You think we are laughing? That thing that you did with Nigeria has to remain with Tinubu. It has to remain with Tinubu. Don't let it cross. It can't cross any. We keep telling Tinubu and his government, remove all your terrorist army from our land. Christopher Musa, remove your terrorist army from Biafran land. Remove them. You know, when Simon was telling you people thought he was joking. And we are telling you now, you think we are joking. Remove all your terrorist military in our land. Remove your police in our land. Nigerian government, remove everything that had to do with you from Biafran land. That thing that you did with Finland, you will go and undo it because it can never happen in Biafran land, not on this planet Earth. Very soon you understand how twisted we can be. So Biafrans, let us keep calling out these people for this thing that they want to do. If they release Nnamdi Kanu, good. But I know that they are not planning good for Nnamdi Kanu. If they release him, let them prove me wrong for the very first time. Thank you, Biafrans, and all hands must be on deck to continue to shout so that...
Now, let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Disc TV, for we remain the best. Bye.